Hello and welcome to day 2 of learning Python just from chatgpt. So let's get started. Please. I'll just ask you for the two lessons from Python as Python. Okay. In today's lesson, you'll learn about Python's basic syntax. This includes understanding how to write and execute simple Python programs, the importance of indentation, and how to write Python comments. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to write clear and readable Python code. Okay. The basic print statement. Print range are used to output text and variables to the console. Okay. Python uses indentation to define blocks. Yep. Comments are used to explain code. They're ignored by the Python interpreter. Okay, I didn't actually notice the 3 dashes. And then it's the hashtag for single line comments. Okay. Here's this one. Python program uses basic syntax concepts. So if true, notice that true is a capital T. Then just printing. Okay. So let's do the assignment 1. Okay, so we're going to PyCharm. Oops, wrong one. Print your. Oh yeah, I just use this as a comment. This is all pretty easy, to be honest, for a few days. Print. Oops. Oops. And then favorite quote. What is my favorite quote? I don't actually know. What goes up must get must have got a demoralizing quote. I'll just leave it there for now. And now move on to the next one. I'll do it for 10 this time. So, and I'll do if a num is greater than or equal to 5. Oh no, it's not these braces. It's like that, isn't it? And it's not with brackets. And then we do print num. No, it's less than 5. And we can just now equals 5. Okay, that should all run at the end, and we'll see. Comments. Write a program with at least 3 lines and 3 single line comments and 1 multi-line comment for explaining the different parts of your code. Okay, so I'll just do it for this one. Oh, I need a semicolon on that. Okay. Day 2 of the Python project, and the 3 exercises in this one. Okay, and I think that should be it because I've done all of them. I'll just copy paste this and I'll ask it to mark it for me because I think so we've got some. So I'll just read the summary. Today's lesson introduced you to Python's basic syntax, including the print function, the importance of indentation, and how to write comments. You also complete assignments to practice these concepts. Mastering the basics will help you write clear and structured Python code. Great job, and see you tomorrow for the next lesson. Okay, thank you.